I'm Hassan from Thronmax. We are now the Thronmax microphone production plant. Today I want to show you where we are going to produce Thronmax Space. Please follow me. Let's check it out, the SMD production line. Come with me. We have in-house SMD production line. Here, the Thronmax Space PCBA boards. Now we are making some pilot production for testing. This is our acoustic room. We are making the microphone frequency response test here. Right now we are testing Thronmax Space. Later we do DJI Wireless microphone and Rode Wireless 2 microphone testing here. We will see the result later. Okay, first we test the DJI Wireless microphone, and here the microphone frequency response from the DJI Wireless microphone kit. Second microphone frequency response test from the Rode Wireless Go 2. You can see the result here, then all the way down. And the last one is Thronmax Space microphone frequency response. I can show you here. You can see Thronmax Space DJI Wireless microphone and the Rode Wireless Go 2 use the Omnidirectional Capsule microphone, and we made tests for 3 of them, the directional characteristic. You can see here first the Thronmax. You can see the yellow line over here, the test result. This is the Rode, and the last one is DJI. As you see, almost no differences for 3 of them. This is again the Rode, this is a Thronmax, and the last one the DJI microphone. We are going to check how to produce the microphone capsule. Do you know Thronmax also produced the most advanced microphone capsule? Have a look.
Testing 1, 2, 3, here I go. Give me that microphone. Give me that microphone.
Now we are testing the Thronmax Space, Rode Wireless Go 2 and DJI microphone for outdoor environments. 3 microphones set the same decibel levels. You are listening to the Thronmax Space now, and you hear how sounds look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are testing the Rode Wireless Go 2, and you can hear how sound look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last one is the DJI Wireless microphone, and now you can hear how sound look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you very much for the watching, and thank you great support so far for the Thronmax. See you next video again. Bye bye now.